Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an item frame in Minecraft. Item frames are fantastic for showcasing your prized possessions on any surface. To begin, you'll need to gather two key ingredients, 8 sticks and 1 piece of leather. These materials are readily available in the game world, making this a straightforward crafting process. Let's dive into how to acquire each component. First, let's get those sticks. Sticks are incredibly easy to obtain. You just need some wood. Any type of wood plank will do the trick. Simply place 2 wood planks, one above the other, in any 2 vertical slots of your crafting grid. This quick action will instantly provide you with 4 sticks, so you'll need to repeat it twice to get your 8. Next up, we need 1 piece of leather. The most common way to find leather is by defeating animals like cows, mushrooms, or horses, which typically drop 1 or 2 pieces. Alternatively, if you have 4 rabbit hides, you can combine them in a 2x2 square on your crafting table to create 1 piece of leather. Choose the method that best suits your current resources. With all your materials in hand, it's time to craft. Open your crafting table. Place the single piece of leather directly in the center slot of the 3x3 crafting grid. Then, fill all 8 surrounding slots with your sticks. This specific pattern will instantly create one shiny new item frame for you. Now you can proudly display any item you wish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.